everybody. Hi, it's Becky from Power Tools with Thread. I have got so much going on. I haven't even had time to sit down behind a sewing machine. I cannot believe what's been happening. You guys saw that I had gone on that shop hop in my last video and I showed you the haul. And one of you had a fabulous idea to turn that blue bonnet panel behind me into one of those window pane quilts. Great idea. I'm gonna do that. I think that'll look fabulous. That way I can look out my window all the time and see blue bonnets no matter what time of year it is. Won't that be cool? I'll hang it over one of these rattan blinds or bamboo shades that I never open. So I think that'll work out great. So I've had a lot of requests for tutorials, and so I started to do a tutorial, and then I wanted it to be just this way and just that way, and it got to the point that my perfection with it became so stifling I couldn't finish the video. And I thought, you know what, how often does that happen to us, that we want something to be just so and we get so crazy about it that we end up either not doing it or just abandoning it, or it takes the joy out of it. And so I said, you know what, I'm just gonna put a video out there and talk about what I want to talk about. So I got a couple of things in the mail that I had ordered. I told y'all that I had ordered this. I got this Kimberbell We Whisk You a Merry Christmas. This quilt is just darling. Those of you that like to machine embroider, this is super, super cute, and it combines quilting and embroidery together, and I absolutely love it. I'll link to it below. Also from Fat Quarter Shop, I ordered the We Whisk You a Merry Christmas layer cake. They are running low on these. I don't know if they have any more. I figured that each one of the pieces, squares in the We Whisk You a Merry Christmas quilt, you know, it calls, let me see if I can find a picture. So, see, like it's got that, okay? See how that is? So, with the dots and ginghams and that kind of thing, and I thought, okay, I'll just get some of this, and that way I've got the fabric for it. But I don't think you need a whole lot, but I went ahead and got this. I also have the We Whisk You a Merry Christmas embellishment set. So y'all, all said and done, that's a pretty pricey little wall hanging, but how fun and how cute is it to make? So I'm really excited about it. Excuse me, took a drink, went down the wrong pipe, now it's stuck. Also the other day, the Fat Quarter Shop. So there are two places where you can buy quilt fabrics and tools, notions and whatnot on the cheap to build up your stash. And that is the Missouri Star Daily Deal. I go there every day. That's my home page on my laptop. And then the next place I stop is the Fat Quarter Shop. They have a flash sale that they do every day. Well, the other day, a couple weeks ago, I had gone to a quilt retreat, and it was at that retreat that I really realized I needed to condense the amount of junk I take with me on retreats. You know, I roll up with suitcases and bags, and I got stuff everywhere, and my girl Mary, who was my roomie, she shows up with one little suitcase, and she's like, this is how I roll, and I'm all, dang, how do you do that? So Fat Quarter Shop had this little gizmo the other day on their flash sale. Super inexpensive. It's a wooden 4-in-1 tool. It's called 4-in-1 Essential Sewing Tool by C&T Publishing. This is really neat. So one end of it is a stiletto, okay? And then you put the cap on and you have a point turner. And then this end of it is a seam ripper, which I never ever use, of course. Right. And a seam press. So this is 4 very nice tools that I would use constantly, and now it's just one thing that's going to go with me. So this is going in my travel bag for any time I'm on the road, and now I don't have to remember to bring a seam ripper or a stiletto or a point turner or any of that, so that's kind of cool. Had some pretty big news. I had mentioned to y'all that I was going to the Houston Quilt Show on Friday, November 1st. And I'm going to do a meet and greet at the Brother Allbrands booth from 1:30 to 2. And I received an email from Allbrands, and they want me to do a software demo for Simply Applique at the show. They're gonna put me on the main stage. Oh my gosh, they're crazy. Starting at 1 o'clock, I'll be on the main stage and I'm gonna do a demo of how I use Simply Applique. And I looked around on the internet, and this is free. It's from Stubbornly Crafty. And I found this super cute little turkey. Look at him. Isn't he adorable? The lady who runs this has a really neat little website, so I'll link to it below as well. And although it has 9 pieces, most, like, see the 2 outer feathers, lower feathers are identical, then the next ones are identical, and the next ones are identical. So there's really not a lot of different times that the machine's gonna do a stop. And I'm kind of playing with it. I've been practicing with this, and I'm trying to work it down so that the stuff flows. You know, already have my fabric backed, already have my little pieces cut out and all that to scan in. Because I told her, I said, well, I need a scan and cut, and I need an embroidery machine. So, and then I'll bring my laptop. I don't know if they have a version of it on their computer or whatever, but we'll work it out the closer we get. But y'all, that is so exciting. You know, oh, I want to show you. I'll do it on my laptop and insert what Allbrands has on their website right here. Okay, so here is the allbrands.com homepage, and they've got the big Houston International Quilt Festival right here in the middle, and here's all these people with special guests. I'm not that important yet, but if you click on it and then scroll down, that's what the festival looks like. It is ginormous. So here are the booth numbers: 1035, 947, 1034, 1047, 1124, and 1135. They've got lots and lots of stuff there. So you scroll down, okay? And if you go all the way to the bottom, there I am right there. And it says Vlogging Friday. So I guess maybe I need to take my camera, right? So the Simply Applique demo is from 1 to 1:30, and then I'll do my meet and greet from 1 to 2. I hope to see you guys there. So anyway, I'm very excited about that. I think that's going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait. My husband and I have kicked around the idea of retiring from federal service, and this might turn out to be something that I could turn into a retirement gig. I wouldn't mind at all being like a software instructor for Brother. I think that would be fun, playing with all their stuff, and because Brother does the Simply Applique, they make that, and you don't have to have a Brother machine to use that. It will save into any file format. But I think that's just really exciting, and so that's something very new, and hopefully I don't make a complete and utter fool of myself up on that stage. I'm just excited to see Angela Wolf again from It's So Easy TV. I think she is so sweet. I took one of her classes at an Allbrands one time, and oh, which reminds me, there is a Kimberbell Spooky Soiree coming up at Allbrands in San Antonio, over there on West Avenue and Blanco Road, and it is October 19th. I will be there. Last time I had gone to an event, I actually did a store tour, and that's still out there already on YouTube. But this time I'm going to go ahead and video the class itself. So you could have an opportunity to see that, see if you like it, and if it's something you might want to do. They are a lot of fun, and you get to meet some really neat people. So if you have an opportunity to go to a Kimberbell event or a class with All Brands in around your area, Houston and the Louisiana area, highly encourage it. I think you'd really, really enjoy it. So anyway, that's kind of all that's going on around here. We have a shindig we're doing this weekend with some friends, and so I won't be making a movie on Sunday like I normally do. And like I said, I tried to get one out last night and it was just a mess, and I haven't had an opportunity yet to get the store tours out from the shop hop. Got a new guy in my office at work working for me, and I'm training him. I come home tired. Oh, y'all remember my friend Lisa? I gotta brag. My friend Lisa that went with me on the shop hop. You guys look, she got a new car. How cute is that? She had a little blue Bug and it had a little white racing stripe through it, and she just bought this one. I think this is just precious. She loves her bugs. Anyway, okay, so that's it. I will talk to you guys later. I hope you are having a wonderful week, and I want you guys to go sew something, okay? We'll talk to you soon. Bye.